a whole lot of spillover from a previous painting. And if you've watched my YouTube channel or my Facebook page posts before, then you know that I really love to do the balloon kiss technique. And I thought that might be a perfect use of some of this paint mixed with some other colors. So I'm going to start by kissing some of that onto a used canvas, and then we're going to go from there and add some colors to it. So I have a pre-mixed pink, a pre-mixed red, a rose, kind of a mauve metallic, and a little bit more copper. I used copper in the actual painting that was there, so some of that is going to come up. But first, I really am just going to concentrate on covering my canvas with some of this paint. Not really looking for a particular color to come up. I just want to make sure that my old painting is gone. Get some mauve here and there. Alright, let us get started. Now if I don't like what I get, I can get some more of the green. So here we go. You just push into your painting, pull straight up, push in and pull up. Like I said, if I don't like what I get a little more of my green back again, put that on top of it. There we go. And I'm just going to make my way around the canvas and add some of this paint into the mix. Everywhere where I have dripped, I'm going to add a balloon kiss. And if you decide you don't like what you have, you just wipe it off, start again. But I do like what I have so far. Because I am truly a recycler, I just wanted to let you know that I got this much paint after scraping my silicone mat. And so now I have a mixture of my copper and my greens and my black, but I can use that in a painting in the future. Just have to mark that it has silicone in it. Thanks for watching.